All right, guys, we are in week 4 of our physical science online flex learning stuff with school distance learning. So, what we got here Monday, we're going to take notes on wave properties. Okay, if you hadn't taken the quiz from Friday, you should also do that. So, here's Monday, today is just notes. Tuesday, you're just reviewing. So, this is a shorter day. So if you took the notes on Monday, you're trying a couple of problems that are end of the notes right here. I also want you to go back and retake your quiz from Friday. You can do that any point Monday or Tuesday. So I'm just going to go back into here and retake it. You can view the submission and see which ones you got wrong. So see which ones you got wrong and see if you can't go back and figure them out. So that's on Tuesday. Monday is notes. Tuesday, we're retaking the quiz and then watching a walkthrough of the homework from the end of Monday. Wednesday is a couple extra problems. This is the math of our unit, a little bit of math. And then Thursdays are really short lesson, kind of a fun one. We're relating to color and energy. So we're going to watch a lightsaber battle, really short 2-minute video, and then answer a question about what we know about color and energy. And then Friday, we have a quiz on math. If you have questions, let me know. But this is the week 4 walkthrough. We're just seeing what we got going there. And you're just doing some basic math problems. Okay. All right, guys, have a great week. And I will talk to you digitally or otherwise soon.